Hello, everybody. It's me, Lady Hale, and today I'm going to be going inside of um, the business manager. So it's like business.facebook.com, and what I'm going to show you real quick is kind of like how you add a pixel. Okay, so for each time you create like a website or something like that, if you create a website, so if you have a particular domain name, that particular domain name needs a pixel. Each domain name needs a different type of pixel. Okay, but if it's the same domain name, it could be just a different page or something like that. You can use the same pixel for that. So in here in the business manager, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come in here and kind of show you guys how you go in there and make that. So in the business manager, you're just going to go to where it says like all tools and all tools. You're going to go to where it says, let me find it. It should say like events manager. There you go. It's in the events manager. So once you come over here, come inside the events manager. It's going to open up, do what it do, right? You're going to see a thing that's called, it says this one era with your ads, consultant site, yada yada. It's like, hey, Crystal, you need to, you need to you need to review some stuff. So I think this one right here that's telling me, yo, I need to review something. But we'll get that together. So here we go. For example, here's the CRM one and everything, and it's giving me, it's telling me I done had visits and all that good stuff, and it's letting me know that it is active. Okay, but for you who are creating a new pixel, I'm just gonna say we're gonna say create data. You're gonna say it's for the web. You're gonna say next. Okay, in the data set, create a space CRM. That's where I want it in. Or if you want to create a new data set, you can create a new data set, and if you don't have an existing one, you can create a new one. And then we're just gonna say creative space uh 2025 CRM, right? And right here, unselect this. You don't want the test drive on. You're gonna say create. Okay, real easy. Now, once you say that, there you go. It's gonna say, hey, how do you want to connect this data to your thing? And we're gonna say set up manually. And here it says set up the API conversion, blah 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 blah. Some coding is required. We're gonna say next. Okay, don't worry about that. Then you're gonna go here where it says metapixel. That's where the pixel is. Then you're gonna say next. Once you say next, you can say see instructions. It'll give you the instructions, but pretty much you're finished. You're gonna copy this code. Once you copy the code, you're gonna come back over here to the Creative Space Academy over there, and let's say, for example, I want this on my site, and so if I want this on my site, my website with that particular thing, I need to go to the CSA. I think it's this one right here. I already have one installed, so I'm not gonna like go and reinstall it or whatever. But in the head tracking, you'll see right here, I have a Google tag, and I would just go in there, and then I would add the meta tag there. Okay. Now in your funnels, you can use the same meta tag across your funnels, and you can get those. Or if you just have one that you specifically want just for that particular funnel, that's cool too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use the example, and I'm gonna go to recent one, and I need to find my is it BOY beginning of year. There, here you go. Yeah, the social media accelerator. So I just want, because I want the audience from this. This is just a particular one that I want, but I already got my metapixel in there. But I would put this inside of the head and bam, add it there. Add it there accordingly. And once and then you can add your Google there as well accordingly, because it's still under this particular domain. But if you want the tracking or anything like that, if you want the tracking or anything like that, you gotta pretty much just put it right here. But since I already have this right here going, I'm not gonna replace this. I mean, I could, but I don't want to mess up. I have analytics going, so I don't want to mess up my analytics. But you would go down there and you would place it inside. Let me find another funnel that I don't have. Let me see, do I have this on the 5K challenge? Um, okay, first 5K. Let me go to settings. Okay, I don't have anything here, so I'll put this in there, which is perfectly fine. Once I do that, you put it in the head tracking, and you're just gonna say save. Okay, so anytime somebody come to this particular funnel, then it's going to be tracking the events. Okay. So obviously, first 5K challenge, let them know, oh, look, there's only 7 spots left, and that cohort better get signed up. If I go over here to the, there's a thing that's called Metapixel Helper, and you can just literally go inside of Chrome and say Metapixel Helper. Just type that, you'll see it in the web store, and you can just add it to Chrome. So it's going to let you know if you have a pixel on this particular site. So we're back at the first 5K challenge. It lets me know, bam, there's a pixel on here. Since it's a pixel on here, it's sending the information for the thing. And if I want to like set up the events and everything, so basically when you go and you kind of like do some test events and whatnot, you you just make sure that it's getting the information that it needs. So for example, if you want to go to settings and this is just going a little bit a little bit too advanced, to be very honest. But if you want to go in and then set up the event tool, you're able to do that. And basically you'll just get the site name here, which is this one right here, copy. I will put it in here. It would open the website. And once you open the website, you're able to put, the different events that happen. So if they click sign up, okay, you got to tell it what happens when they're playing sign up. So I'm going to say track a new button. It's going to be the sign me up button. This one is going to go to more of a initiated checkout. The value on this page. No, the value is not on this page. So we're gonna say track button. We're gonna click this. This is just gonna be just the lead. Okay. All right. Choose value, don't include value. All right, yada yada. And the currency, you're just gonna say confirm. Okay. So now it's gonna track this lead button. Also a new tracking button. So if they turn this on, the event is just gonna be viewed content. Okay. And we're gonna say confirm. Okay, because if they turn it on, that means they have at least viewed the content there. Okay. So once we go here, we go to the sign up. Okay. Then right here, we're gonna track a new button. And this one is definitely, it becomes a initiate checkout. Okay. The value is on the page. No, it's not. So you're just gonna say confirm. Okay. So once no button events tool is not compatible with this page, click learn more. Oh, okay. Well, maybe we just gotta put delete and track button. Step 2 is we'll just say it's a lead. Confirm. That is a lead. Let me see. Now it's acting retarded. Contact. Yes, confirm. No button or URL. The event setup is compatible with this page. Click link. Yada yada. Yes, you did. Okay. What video? You putting all that stuff in there? You is funny. All right. So then once it goes over here, they have it where I can break it up into payments of 3 payments of 133 or whatever, or they can have it where they pay the $4.99 altogether. So I'm just gonna say track new button on here. Is this complete order? That is a purchase. Okay, and that purchase is choose value on page. Uh, the purchase is worth $4.99 here, so we'll say here. Use. Hold on, cancel. Okay, so track. We're gonna hit the button. This button is a purchase. Is purchase. Use value. Da 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 da. Okay. The value is $4.99. We're gonna say confirm. There you go. Okay. So that's that. And then from there, we're just going to say finish setup. So now when we go in there, it has my lead. If they viewed the contact button, purchase button, and then we're going to say finish. Okay. And was this helpful? Absolutely. Submit. Okay. Bam. So now, the events and all that good stuff. And I can go over here to now if I want to, you know, confirm your server events are tested up properly. They say go to the Graph API, yada yada. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to do this. So I'm just gonna open website. Then I'm gonna say sign me up, right? Give it the information here. Okay, go to. I'm just going through here and going through here is just to make sure that they are. So I want this. Then I can go through and complete my order, but I'm not completing my order today. Okay, and so once I have done that, okay, I should see the testing going on from there. And it's going through there. It's letting me know that it gave a lead, it gave a page through, submit application, yada, yada. I didn't submit the contact information. Ooh, so it's giving me all the test events and it's letting me know exactly what the pixel is absolutely doing. Okay. And so now that the pixel has been set up, now we're ready to go in as well. That's how you set up a pixel and that's how you start getting information to your thing. All right. So on the next tutorial, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to show you how to, now that you got a pixel, but let's say you haven't got enough traffic, I'm going to show you how to create like a lookalike audience. Okay. So we'll do that on the second video. Talk to y'all soon. And I hope this helped you. God bless.